Kambi mar okumba mar AA Kenya mosebedo katiego joriembo mapacho ka yore mag tiyo gi apaya e yo makare odiochieng' makawuono timo tiegruok makamano ne jopuonjre masomo e skund primar ma Kilimani mayudore e boma Nairobi. Kaka jafwambo marwa Anthony Achao leronwa, kambi ni yango ni ma en yo achiel mabiro konyo e duoko chien masiche mag apaya e pacho kae.
Oganda mathoth osewito ngimagi kokalo kuom masiche mag apaya pacho ka. Gino moseweyo kwan anyuola mathoth gi lal kaachiel gi kuyo mathoth. Kaka yo achiel mar neno ni duoko chien masiche mag apaya, kambi mar okumba mar AA kanyakla gi migepe mamoko ochako chenro mar tiego jopuonjre yore mag tiyo gi apaya e yo makare.
We've tried to identify areas where people are struggling, especially around the road safety. And we've realized one of the areas that we really need to think about is the kids who are going to school. Our children, when they are going to school, we have a number of them being knocked down by vehicles when they are going to school. We've looked at the infrastructure around the schools, and they are not very friendly to the students.
Chenro makamano chaka yange skund primar ma Kilimani, mabende jopuonjre mathoth osewito ngimagi kaka japuonj maduong' yango.
In the past, we have had incidences where learners are knocked down by border, or sometimes they're knocked down by vehicles, simply because we didn't have signages. There were no signages and proper marked bumps. So we are very, very grateful that the AA, together with the NTSA, they have come together, and FIA, they have come together and put for us the cabros and the signages.
Tiegruok makama igeno ni dhi kelo ber moloyo ne kar somo no kalure ni oyudre genga apaya modich mokalo.
This road is very busy. Kilimani Primary School is situated along the busy roads, and therefore these two gates, or the three gates that the children use, exposes them, especially they exposes them to insecurity when they are crossing the roads. And it is very important because, one, they have sensitized our learners on how to use the road and how to cross, because you can know how to cross and maybe usage of the road can be a problem.
Kambi no bende osidho ranyisi mag apaya e genga apaya maneranga kar somo no, ka bende giyango ni en chenro mabiro dhi mbele pacho ka mangima.
The other things that we are doing is just making sure that we have the road signage. Signages like just showing that there are kids closing. Signages like showing that you need to go at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, which is the recommended speed around the school infrastructures. And also just ensuring that where the kids are closing, we have proper markings. Yeah. And the last thing that we are doing on this project is just ensuring that the kids have a space where they can walk. So the kids' walkway becomes very important to us.
Anthony Achao, Ramogi TV.